What, honey? What?
How fast this got yellow boy is.
Okay.
We're over there. Mom.
Okay, I'm watching.
Let's go. With pink girl. No.
Be very careful, okay? Okay.
I'm dead. I'm dead in puppy heaven.
Oh, go potty.
One's pooping. Don't step in the poop.
There's another one right here. See?
Where?
Right
Oh, wow.
there.
Oh, wow. He's going to come to me.
Wow, it's a big poop. It's a huge poop.
Both like, wow, that's a huge poop. Come on. Everybody dance. Is that yellow guy? Yeah. He's fast. Blue boy. Everybody's dancing. No. Mr. Wilson, do you see that one is chewing your shoe?
I feel it.
No. Let me see. Who are you? Oh, this one does not have a piece of yarn.
Oh, that's red then, because she lost it. Boy, everybody's pooping.
Everybody's freaking pooping. It's the Poopy Express. Look how big this is. Wait, move. Oh, come here. You're adorable. I see a little blue girl. Oh, come here, guys. I'm getting puppy headed. No, I'm stealing the baby. Come here. I love these guys. Oh, I love them. Hey, stop nibbling my toe. Hey! Mom. I love these guys. Look at them.
There, let them run around.
Wait, Mom, look. They're all attached to me. But Mom, this is the one I want.
Uh-huh, but I'm taking movie right now.
Did you careful? There's a poop right there. Okay. I know it. Oh my gosh. Hey, come here. It's opposite day. Come here. Oh, I love these guys.
Don't step in the poop. There's a bunch of poop over there, Spencer. You're about to step in it.
Where?
Right there. Look, right by you.
Oh,
There's another one right by the puppy, see?
Come on, you guys really like me. No. Pink girl. Come here, girl. I'm the wolf. I capture your puppies from the puppy farm. Oh, no. You have puppy farms, and I'm the wolf, and I capture puppies from your puppy farm and eat them. Then they become mine. I will never my slave. Take away my puppy. No, these are mine. You're my new slave. What? You're my new slave. Train, little puppy. Ooh, a new shade.
Juliana, that puppy was going for your feet.
Oh, he goes to me now. Let's see who goes. He goes to me. Who's your favorite? I think yellow. He just sort of. Yellow looks no feet for you. I know. Hey, no feet for you either. Yellow's my favorite. They want my feet. I think we're gonna keep them. I want to keep them. I want to cut them. Hey, come on, over here. I love it. Everybody want me? Come on. This is the band. I'm gonna capture me and your slaves. I steal your puppies and make them my slaves. No, I want to go with you, Pear. I'm not gonna do it. There's only one way to protect them. I'm capturing one of your puppies. I know, I'm with you. No, there's only one wolf. Here you go. Where's that? In the gym. Collect the puppies. Collect them. Collect them all. I got one. do. I set the puppies free. No! Don't set them free. I'm kidding. I know they're sleeping. You can grab me. That's a jail cell. Did you see your puppy running? Claire, can I trade one in? Ah! Dooby. Hey, no, he's mine. He's my slave. Claire, I can trade one in. Claire, look at you want her? Come and get him. No. I own the puppy pound. You can trade and you can give them and you can buy.
Spencer, please be very careful not to run through the poop. You got white socks on.
I know. I'll take my socks off.
At least your feet will clean. The socks won't. Ew, they're already dirty. Put it up high where the puppy can't get to it, honey.
Okay.
No, not the puppy. You put the socks high.
Okay, how?
Up on the play structure or something.
Okay.
These puppies are escaping!
Yay! No! The puppy jail is yay! I'm a dog pounder. If I catch your puppy, then it goes to the pound. You have to buy it back. How much? How much is it?
Claire, just black one is with me.
Really?
Yes.
It's
following me.
Yeah, Claire. You can't do that.
Claire, whoa. Claire, I want them all in one spot, please, because I can't watch them all at once.
Yeah, I'm watching them on this.
No. All on this side, please.
Fine.
Thank
that
you.
Half belongs to the dog catcher. The one behind belongs to you guys.
No, the back there belongs to me. That's my house. The back is of my house.
Where's your house?
Come on.
There's one in there.
Where's your house?
There you go.
Come on, little.
Oh, that guy's full of answers.
Here.
Watch out, you almost stepped in the poop. Whoa, Spencer.
Careful when you walk in that grass. Ew, Manny.
More poop. Because they all had to go.
No, not this one. This one didn't have to go.
Well, then that means he's going to have to soon.
Here, puppy.
Do you still have Yellow Boy, Spencer? Spencer, is that still Yellow Boy?
Bring him to the pound.
No, there's pants in there. No, black one.
I'm the
I
pound.
want to hold one toy.
Okay, why do you want
Oh, this is Yellow Boy, yeah.
Go yellow boy. Mrs. Wilson, my pizza pocket.
Hi.